What if I told you that with just $250 less than most people spend on groceries, you could start a side hustle making $500 to $1,000 per month from your couch? No degree, no commute, no boss. I'm revealing 7 side hustles exploding in 2025. Students are making more than part-time jobs. 9-to-5ers are doubling paychecks. And number 5? Someone I know made $2,500 in month 1 with zero experience. These are real businesses with real numbers. By the end, you'll have a complete roadmap to start earning this week. Let's dive into the 7 best side hustles you can launch in 2025 for under $250. Side Hustle 1, AI Content Agency. First, AI Content Creation Agency. Sounds complicated? It's not. This is the easiest way to make money in 2025. What you do: create social media posts, blog articles, and marketing materials for small businesses using AI. ChatGPT writes, Canva designs, you deliver to desperate clients. Investment total $60. ChatGPT plus 20 month. Canva Pro 15 month. Domain $10. Google Workspace 6 month. Business cards $10. Total $60. Why it works: 87% of small businesses need content but lack time or skills. Coffee shops, real estate agents, fitness coaches, they're overwhelmed. You charge $200,500 monthly. AI does 80% of work. Real example: Sarah from Portland started at 19. 5 local businesses via Instagram. Makes $200 a month working 10 hours weekly. That's 30 hours. Get clients fast. Create 3 sample posts for local businesses. DM on Instagram. I created sample content for your brand free. Want to see? When impressed, pitch monthly packages. Start tonight. Just laptop or phone needed. Side Hustle 2, Digital Products Next. Digital product stores. Create once, profit forever. Passive income on steroids. What you sell: templates, presets, guides, Notion templates, Resume templates, Instagram presets, budget spreadsheets, meal plans. Investment total $35. Canva Pro 15 month. Gumroad free. Facebook ads $20. Total $35. Why it's gold: create 1 resume template in 2 hours. Sell for $9. If 100 buy, that's $900 from 2 hours. No inventory, no shipping, no hassles. While sleeping, people buy automatically. Hot niches 2025. AI prompt libraries. Notion dashboards. Resume templates, huge demand. Instagram templates. Budget planners. Job interview guides. Real numbers: Marcus, 22, created perfect resume bundle selling for $12. Makes $600,800 monthly with zero ongoing work. Created once 6 months ago. Quick start. Check Etsy for top sellers. Create your version. List on Gumroad and Etsy. Promote on TikTok and Pinterest, free traffic. Perfect for college build during break. Earns all year. Side Hustle 3, YouTube automation. YouTube automation is booming. Faceless channels where you never appear on camera but make serious money. What it is: create videos using stock footage, AI voiceovers, simple editing about search topics. Top 10 dangerous animals, history mysteries. Side Hustles 2025. Investment total $125. CapCut Pro 30 month. Storyblocks 30 month. 11 Labs AI Voice 25 month. Canva 15 month. Vidic 15 month. Total $125 or start free. Why exploding: YouTube automation grew 481% since 2023. People want info and entertainment, don't care if AI voice or real person. Channels like infographics show make millions this way. Once monetized 1K subs, 4,000 watch hours, CPM 310 per 1,000 views. Video with 100,000 views equals $300,000. Upload 3-4 weekly equals $1,204,000 month potential. Best niches: personal finance, true crime, technology, productivity, history, space science, reality. Takes 3-6 months to monetize. But those who stick make $2,005,000 a month within a year. Not quick money, build once, earn forever money. Side Hustle 4, social media management. If you post on Instagram for yourself, you can get paid $3,080 monthly per client doing it for businesses. What you do: manage Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn for local businesses. Create posts, schedule, respond to comments, track analytics. Investment total $95. Buffer scheduling 25-month. Canva Pro 15-month. Wix website 15-month. Business cards $20. Meta blueprint free. Total $95 first month. Why businesses pay. Every dentist, yoga studio, boutique knows they should post, but have no time. You do it. They pay $400,600 a month for 3-4 posts weekly. Perfect for students. Work anywhere with Wi-Fi. 2-3 hours daily per client. Flexible schedule batch Sundays. Learn marketing skills. Scale to 2,003,000 with 4-5 clients. Land first client. Pick 10 local businesses with weak social media. Create 5 free sample posts. Email. I noticed your business could use a boost. Created 5 samples, no charge. Want to see? When they love them. Pitch. $450 a month for 12 posts, graphics included. Real story. Ashley, 20, manages 4 businesses near university. Smoothie shop, boutique, salon, fitness studio. Earns $1,600 a month, 10 hours weekly. Schedules everything Sunday while watching Netflix. Getting paid to scroll Instagram for ideas, then create similar posts for clients. Side Hustle 5, online tutoring, online tutoring enhanced with AI. This is where my friend made $2,500 in month 1. What's different? Use AI to create lesson plans, quizzes, materials in minutes. Teach subjects you're moderately good at. Help more students. Charge premium rates. Investment total $65. Zoom Pro 15-month. ChatGPT Plus 20-month. Miro Whiteboard 10-month. Wisent free. Canva 15-month. Total $65. Why? This prints money. Parents desperate for affordable tutoring. Kids struggling post-pandemic. Platforms like Wisent make finding students easy. Charge $25.50 hour. 3 sessions daily. 5 days weekly equals $1,8753.750 monthly. Best subjects: math, SAT or ACT prep. Coding for kids, English, Spanish, AP prep. AI advantage: ChatGPT generates practice problems instantly. Real example: Jake tutors high school math, uses ChatGPT for solutions. Charges $40 hour, works 15 hours weekly, makes $2,400 monthly. Side Hustle 6. Dropshipping. Drinks done right in 2025 is still one of best online businesses. What it is: list products on store. When someone buys, supplier ships directly. Your middleman making price difference. Investment total $185. Shopify 39-month. Domain $15. Logo $25. Facebook ads $100. Total $185. Products crushing now. Phone accessories, pet products, home organization, fitness gear. Realistic. Month 1 testing. Month 2-3 find winner. Scale to 2,005,000 revenue. With $5,000 revenue, 30% margin equals $1,500 profit. Side Hustle 7. AI freelancing guy powered freelancing. Compete by being 10x faster. What you do: offer copywriting, design, video editing using AI. Investment total $120. ChatGPT Plus 20-month. Midjourney 30-month. Canva 15-month. Total $120. Services: AI, copywriting, logo design, video editing. Emma offers website copywriting on Fiverr for $250. Finishes in 1 hour. Gets 3-4 orders weekly equals $3,004 monthly. Conclusion: 7 side hustles under $250. Pick one. Comment which you're choosing. Commit 90 days. Month 1, $2,005. Month 4 plus $1,503 plus. 2025 is your year. Like if this helped. Subscribe for more.